think that you can wrap up entries fairly quickly. But exits are really, really difficult. A lot of exits, of course, are a part of your individual trading plan. There's no right, there's no wrong. I think that you really need to know where you're going to get out as you put the trade on, when you're right and when you're wrong. Now, it could be something as simple as trailing a stop loss up behind you, and largely in the stock market, in shares that are growing their profits aggressively and safely, that are rising, I will certainly trail a stop loss up behind them, a ratchet stop loss that locks in some profit. In the stock market, I'm very wary of when the general market turns down, and I have a signal in the general market that tells me that the general market is falling. It's called a confirm call, and I get a confirm call up, a confirm call down. Very, very strong signal that tells me when the general market is falling based on price and based on market breadth. And I have every evening I look at all of the companies on the London market that are rising and all the companies in the London market that are falling, and every day I keep up to date, and it's done automatically, what I call the buy-sell ratio, which is a measure of the breadth of the market. Certainly, if the market general market starts to fall, then I shall start to ease out of certainly some stocks that haven't performed on the way up, or the small caps. You've got to be very careful with small caps when the general market falls, because they are invariably bid up by small traders, and when the sentiment of the market turns, all those small traders go away, and you'll find that the bids just disappear. In the Forex market, you could look at something like old highs. I think as a short-term trader, you need to be selling into strength, into some form of strength. I myself look at Fibonacci levels for exits, and namely Fibonacci extensions. When the market pulls back, it tends to run to a 1.618 extension of the last pullback. So I'm looking at Fibonacci levels to sell into those Fibonacci levels. And if I can get in on a pullback and sit and add until a 1.618 extension and then start to ease out of the position up there, then I'm quite happy with that.